Hi everyone. Today I show you how to create a soda can mockup in Photoshop. First, select the subject to isolate the can from the background. Press Ctrl J to copy the can to a new layer. Select the rectangular tool to draw the mockup base. Convert to a smart object for easy editing later. Press Ctrl T, then choose Warp the shape around the can. Reduce the opacity to see the can under the leaf. Select the slider warp preset for a rounded can look. Now set the opacity back to 100%. Hold Alt, clip it to the design layer. Double-click the Smart Object to open. Drag and drop your designs into the Smart Object file. Go to File Save to apply the change to your mockup. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the can layer. Change the blend mode to multiply for a realistic shadow effect. Lower the opacity to blend it naturally with the can. Hold Alt and clip it to the design layer. Press Ctrl J, duplicate the layer. Hold Alt and clip it to the design layer. Switch the blend mode to lighten to enhance the highlight. Reduce the opacity for soft natural. Press Ctrl J, duplicate can layer. Hold Alt and clip it to the design layer. Set the blend mode to color burn for deeper shadow and contrast. Lower the opacity to deepen the effect of the style of realism. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the can layer. Change blend mode to normal. Build the opacity. Press Ctrl L to open the level, and find the tone of the lighting. Set the blend mode to overlay, boost contrast and depth. Hold Alt, clip it to the design layer, adjust the opacity for a balanced natural finish. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.